Okay, story here. Learn fruits with Mr. Panda. Are you ready to learn? Yes, let's start. Apple, apple. Orange, orange. Grapes, grapes. Pineapple, pineapple. Banana, banana. Watermelon, watermelon. Strawberry, strawberry. Mango, mango. Cherry, cherry. Apricot, apricot. Let's read again.